Hello, scrappers. Got a nice load of shred fixing to take to the scrap yard. Figured I'd go to Standard Iron today. They got a shredder there. Of course, they don't take refrigerators, freezers, so there's none of that in this load. I'd take it to Metal Shack. They usually pay more. I didn't even call to see what they're paying, but it's so hard to get in and out of that yard. I thought I'm not going to try to get in there with this big trailer. I'll just go a few extra miles, go to Standard. They said they're paying $7.50 a hundred, so that's about $150 a ton. Not the greatest, but you know, it's still doable. I figured there's probably a little over 2 ton on here, so should be a little over a $300 load. So that's worth a couple hour trip. I figure my cutoff point somewhere 100 to 120. If I got to get rid of it, you know, I'd go for 100. If not, you know, this trailer sat empty for a month, 2 months, so yeah. If it's down that low, it can sit full for a month or two, you know, if prices are down that much. And I can pile it up in the field or whatever. Yeah, I got a few acres out here, so no big deal. But I'm going to go ahead and get this in, and I don't know if you want to put your guesses on the weight. Yeah. And then I'll pick the video back up with the pay ticket. I don't know if I'll do it when I get back here or if I'll do it out there on the side of the road in front of the scrapyard, but up in the city. So I'll take the camera along with me. Got a couple of the cats. Daughter's female and one of her males. They're back here with me more than they are up there at their place. So I got a couple hose reels on there. I got another hose reel over here, but that one might be in better shape. I probably should have hung on to this one here on the back, because it's the same style as that one over there. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, right there. See if I could use parts off it, but I'm not really too worried about it. Yeah, I don't know if I would use it anyway. It might come in handy though, so yeah, I might check it out and if the tires hold air or not. If not, it'd probably just sit in one spot anyway, honestly. It'd just make it easier to bring the hose in and out. Yeah. Problem is, those things are so light, you go to unreel the hose and it just tips the thing over, so, you know, would that really be a convenience? Or, you know, it might be better just to anchor the thing down. But, can cage is empty. Still got cans in that bin, so I got to get in there. And that chicken wire, when I first put it in that cage, because I put cattle panels on there, tack welded them in, and then I put chicken wire, zip tied it to the cattle panels, which I knew after a couple of years the zip ties would rot out, and they are. So I got to get in there with hog rings, and I bought some hog ring pliers and hog rings here a month or so, 2 months ago at the feed store. So I did a little repair on the top by the door where I put the cans in. So now I got to go down probably all 4 corners and secure it better there, because the zip ties are rotted out. So another little project, but it's already getting warm and humid. You can see I'm getting behind on the grass mowing. My mowing deck went out on my mower, so I probably have to use daughter's mower this afternoon until I get my mowing deck fixed. Got a guy that buys a lot of the mowers off me. He told me to send him a picture of the deck. If he's got one, he'll bring it to me with no charge next time he comes to pick some stuff up. And I do have that other John Deere that I just need to get in there and clean the carburetor. The needle valve was sticking, so it was flooding out. So get in there. I'm going to try to get that off this afternoon, get that carburetor off, get it cleaned, and maybe get it back on, hopefully running. This is like a 50, 52 inch, 54 inch, something like that. But it's a pretty good sized mower. So yeah, we're going to get this out of here. Like I said, I got exercise, got machines, got a couple exercise bicycles, a couple barbecue grills up top. Got everything strapped down good. So, got some bulky stuff on there. Now I picked up some other bulky stuff that'll go in the next load. So, I already got a couple cook stoves over here that I picked up. And some microwaves. I got a microwave down in there, kind of behind all the grass. 3 or 4 these plastic case dishwashers, which a lot of the scrap yards around here don't like them because there's so much plastic. So I usually have to break them down, but then I cut all the corners and break them down where they lay flat in the dumpster. Another big microwave there, and microwave here. So yeah, I got a few microwaves. Got the big on-in generator. I've got another one out there, so I need to play with them when I get the time maybe this fall, and see if I can get one running. I don't know what's wrong with this one, and I don't remember. I got one out in the field there. I know I'm rambling. Underneath the front of that gooseneck horse trailer. And I don't remember if the guy said the motor didn't run or the generator didn't generate. So I may try to get it up here first and fool with it, and see if I can get one of these running, and then go from there. But yeah, I got a pretty good start here for the next load. I got a little freezer here and refrigerator over there, but I'll probably have to take them to metal check. So I'm thinking, okay, since it's so hard to get in and out of there, I'll just probably throw them in the back of the Colorado, get 2 or 3 pieces. Then when I have to run to the city for doctor appointment or pick up my meds or something like that, I'll just take them up there with me, run them by the metal check, get rid of them, and then go do the meds and that. So kill 2 birds with 1 stone, as they say. So I'm going to get off here and get this load to the city, and we'll see you guys when I get the pay ticket. So bye bye. scrappers, we're back from the scrap yard. And that thing weighed a little more than I really thought it would. There's our weights. Weighed 5,240 pounds. And we got a payout. It's $750 a hundred. We had a payout of $393. So yeah, I'm happy with that. $393. I put $50 in the gas tank on the way back in. So put it up to about 3/4 of a tank. So there's my project later for today. Gotta get the carburetor pulled off of that. Then if I get time, it's not too hot, I get out here and try to clean it up. And then either later today or tomorrow, try to get that carburetor put back on there. And then I can mow. Yay. Yeah, got a lot of mowing to do. It's getting pretty tall. But that's going to be the chore. So here in just a little bit, I'm going to go out and tackle that job. So go in and cool off for a little bit, and then come back out, and got me a bucket sitting there so I can sit down on it, and I get that cover off, get down to the linkage, get a picture of it. That way I'll have something to go by when I put it back together. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tried to get you some dump action there with that dump trailer. And like I say, I got a little bit of stuff out here to get started with the next trailer load, but I didn't even back it in yet. I'm gonna get all that mowed over there first. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you guys are getting good loads, not getting too hot, overheated. I know you guys in Australia, it's probably winter over there now, so I hope you guys are staying warm. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget about my Amazon affiliate page if you need any cutting discs or Sawzall blades, stuff like that. So you guys take care. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.